Someone who don't knows me mistakenly claims that he knows me, but then when he realized, he becomes silent. I'm thinking inside that I see energy in myself, but I need to make my face like I am that. I understood, and and if I make you guys understood what I'm saying, then it will take time. Then it will take time. If it will take time, that's what I want. That's what I want. So I need to make you guys understood what basically I was saying. I was saying that I see at the previous clip. I see energy in myself, but no. I no no nahi. I see energy in myself, but I need to make my face that so that people who watches me feel like I am doing this with excitement. So basically, this is what I was thinking. I I press the button of my camera. I press the button of my smartphone to on the camera, and then I make my hand like, and then I start talking. It's not time for me to flex. It's time for me to try again. I literally don't like this approach of mine, and this one too. Guys, you need explanation. Okay, well, I will give you explanation on that. Uh, on the first phase, I was thinking, I was claiming, I was thinking, I was saying about my not about basically inside I'm looking that word which is fit here, and let me tell you the whole story. I need to explain about two things. This or that. First phase. I need to talk about first phase. First phase is that I was talking about my thing which I do. I am not exploring things in these days like I used to. In first phase I was talking about this, and in the second phase I was talking about like this, which I do this like. I feel like camera. I mean, I feel the camera, that camera is looking at me. So this approach of mine, basically, I can say that I don't know whether it's correct or not, but I can say it may be that or other my this or that movement. Basically, I was concerned about this. I hope you guys get it. If you guys didn't get it, you can raise question in the comment section, and I need to stop it. I told myself, okay, you did it. A little while ago, just a seconds ago, these beautiful dogs were looking at me, and I was looking at them. I said to myself, hey, and then I pronounced my username. And I said myself, hey, and next space, username, no space, it's not needed space. I said, hey, and then my username, and I said to myself, it's not good approach. I'm back with this costume, and I have reasons for this. You can notice in my background, in the environment around me, you can see it's because of a human. It's because of us. We don't have right to make this planet worse for our future generations. They have every right to live in a beautiful, peaceful. They have every right to live in a eco-friendly or in a very clear planet. So we don't have any right to disturb this planet by making its circle. No, by making its environment very that which is like now. So that I want to say here. It's time to say bye bye, and I will check it later if my clips not wider or longer than 5 minutes, then I will add some clips too. I need to add a little clip here because my video length is less than 5 minutes. So basically what I see in the edit app of mine, so I need to add it. Let me introduce some things here. Like this is planet Earth. As you guys already know what I'm doing. This is not needed, dear me. This is not needed. I'm sorry for no. Bye bye. No, I need to make it 44 seconds long so that my clips will go there. Okay. Why I am talking in that sorry. Why I'm talking in that scenario? Why? I need to relax. I need to energize, but I need to relax. I need to excited, but I need to relax. I need both things in one at the same time. I need everything in no. I need things that are necessary, like relaxation, like excitement, like this, like that. Yeah, like this, like that. You need to pronounce it like yes. I will pronounce. If it needed, or if I feel I need to talk on it. I will. But it's time to go. Bye bye.